What's up, guys? Good day. So have a good day to all of you. So welcome to my daily vlog. So um, right now again at Katarong Anabay Bohol, and this is what we do. So we dig for the septic tank for the CR. So Sanobaning and I just um, you know wanted, or we get some help from Noiminti. So we um, pay for his day. So I think it's only day 2 of this septic tank, and there's lots of water, even uh, how many feet is this? 1, 2, even 5 feet. No, there's a lot of water. So yeah, this soil also that we dig, so we will pile up, or we will put it into the entrance of the lot of the Katarungan by Bohol. So yeah, this soil. So we will use the chariot, or Rossi chariot, to truck to haul the soil from here up to there. It's um I think 25 meters so away from here. So yeah, that's what we're planning to do. So this is our water system. Water system here in Ubay is fast. The um, we could install instantly for almost 3 days, I think. So yeah, I just didn't go from here for almost 3 days or 4 days, I think 1 week more or less, because we just have project on Som Cemetery, because we just our relatives needs to be transfer their bones. So yeah, this is our place here in Katarong Arabao Bohol, Purok Ono. And let us ask Sanobaning about his opinion here in Katarungan, Ubay Bohol, and why you want to settle here in Katarungan.
I want to settle here to
And then,
just looking for some kind of good opportunity here to establish here a business. There in my place, I was not continue my business because the chief executive did not issue me a permit because of the politics. We have an opposite party. That's why I'm trying to venture here. But I know that God will provide me because He will give me a lot of opportunity. want me to become rich so that I will praise, so that His name will be praised. Yes. Ako'y pinili ng Diyos upang yumaman para sa kanyang kaluwalhatian at alam kong yayaman ako. Tuloy kasi yung daloy ng pera sa akin ay malaya at masagana. At ang Diyos ang tagapagtustos sa akin, tagapagtustos at hindi ako nakukulang. Yun lang.
So that's all what Son of Banings and his why he is here, why he wants to venture here in Ubay, Katarungan, Ubay, Bohol. So actually this lot is from here two sisters, you know, they work abroad and yeah, they invest on land and they just want to, you know, just want this lot to be, you know, to you know, have some business that will erect in this place. And yeah, I think that's it. So it's almost, that's what I have said earlier, 900 square meter I think, or 700. So yeah, it has I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so it has 9 coconut trees. You know, coconut trees here in province is very useful to make fire, you know, early in the morning. The leaves of the coconut can be used as the fire starter, and the steam of the leaves can be used as a wood also. Yeah, there's many use for the coconut tree. And there's also this what do you call this, santol or Bangkok, and one mango and one, what is the English word for sambak?
Tamarin.
Tamarin. Yeah, one tamarin if I'm not mistaken, and also one this what we call the one miracle fruit. So yeah, that's all the things or the trees that we can offer in this place. So this house